Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the first challenge prompt for this month, that word being donut. I'm on a diet right now, but a donut sounds really good. My diet's not going that great. So with the word being donut, I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a piece of just like a regular old donut with maybe a bite out of it or something more silly, like my mind normally likes to go to. I ended up going with silly. I decided to go with this idea of a donut just relaxing in this cup of really hot coffee like it's a hot tub or something. I really loved the way that this piece turned out, and it just puts a smile on my face whenever I see it, and it really makes me want to go get a coffee and donut from a little coffee shop. But I will be quiet and I will let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word donut. Now I think this turned out really funny, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!